Hello students, today in this video we find the solutions of intermediate Maths B circle chapter. In this we are going to find the solutions of exercise 1C. So this is exercise where we have three sections, first section and second section and third section. So three sections have different questions and different questions are there, and we have to solve these different questions in different ways. So first section here having two questions, in that for total 8 questions are there, and second section we have 7 questions are there in the textbook. Yeah, so these 15 questions we solve this in this video. So third section we will find in the other video, so it take lot of time, that's why I am doing this other video. So we'll move to the section 3 as another video in the next session. So first we discuss or we find the solutions of section 1 and section 2 in this video. Now start with the section 1 here. Here section 1, first question, find the equation of a tangent P of a circle S is equal to 0 where P and S are given by first question is given as P is equal to, he saying that there are circle is there, a tangent and moves from this place, like here P at here P, so tangent at P of a circle, this S is equal to 0 here, S is equal to 0 here, where P and S are given by, like this, find the equation of tangent. We have to find that this equation we have to find here. Okay, now here solution will come like this. Here one formula is there, the equation of tangent passing through this P x1 comma y1 is equal to x comma y to this equation is equal to S1 is equal to 0. So already we discussed S1 or S2, like S11, S22, we discussed these values in the previous video, first video. Now here S1 is equal to, the formula is here, S1 is equal to, we can take like x into x1 plus y into y1 plus here g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 and plus c is equal to 0 here. So this is the S1 equation where we have to submit the values of x1, y1, and the equation is this one. Okay, so from this we will get the g value and f value from these two places. Okay, so here normal form of circle equation is, what is the equation of normal form? S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c no is equal to 0. This is the normal form of circle. So from this we find the g and f from these two values. Okay, here we submit the values in this equation S1. So now we get the answer here. So of tangent P, here this is will get cancel, f is equal to 2 here. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, so 2 into y plus y1 is equal to how much? Minus 5 plus c is equal to minus 12 here. Okay, minus 12. Now we will get the answer 7x minus 5y plus 3 into x, how much? 3 into x, 3x here, minus 3x here, minus 3x and minus 21 plus 2y, 2 5 ja 10, this is minus 10, so equal to minus 10 here, minus 10 and minus 12 is equal to 0, this will come here. So 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x here, and here 2y is there, plus 2y is there, here minus 2y, minus 5y is there, so it will become minus 3y it will become, and here will remain what will remain here? 21 is there now, it will minus 21. Okay, minus 21 means not multiplication form, it will directly minus 21. Here minus 22 it will become, and total will become minus 21 minus 23 minus 43 will become is equal to answer here. So S1 is equal to how much we got? 4x minus 3y minus 43 is equal to 0. So this is the answer of the question now. So where the tangent equation of tangent here, this is the equation of tangent where P of circle S is equal to 0. Now move to the next question. So next question is given that P minus 1 comma 1 and S is equal to given. So the solution here, we have to find the value of 2gx, no, 2gx, 2fy. So from this we have to find g and f values. What is the formula? S1 is equal to, already we know, x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus y into, sorry, f into y plus y1 plus c. Okay, so this formula we have to we have to submit the values is equal to 0 here. Now x1 into x, here x1 y1 is given, x into x1 means minus 1 here, plus y into y1 here 1 plus g into, so g we have to find here minus 6. Minus 6 means g is equal to minus 3 and f is equal to plus 2y, same given question only. Here the value is only change thing here. So minus 1 comma 1 we have to submit this one, minus 1 comma 1 here, is that f is equal to 2 here. So this is minus 3 and x minus x1, x minus 1 means this is minus 1 plus 2 into y plus 1 minus 12 is equal to 0 here. So from this we'll get minus x plus y and minus 3. This is minus 3, g is equal to, no, where g is equal to minus 3 minus 3x and plus 3 here plus 2y plus 2 minus 12 is equal to 0 here. So here minus x plus minus x minus 3x minus 4x we do here, minus 4x plus 3y, and here 3 plus 2 5 minus 7 5 minus 12 minus 7 is equal to 0 here. So if we multiply with the minus, 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the answer here. Now move to the next question, third one. Here third question solution, same question here is given here, same type of formula we have to take. S1 is equal to 0 means S1 is equal to x1 x into x1 y into y1 plus 2 g into x plus x1 plus y f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So where we have to find the 2gx value, in that g value, f value we have to find. So here g is equal to, will get 2, okay, g is equal to will get from 2 and f is equal to 3 will get here, okay, from this one, these two things. Now c is equal to, already minus 39 is given. So we have to submit the values in this given we have in this formula. So S1 is equal to, x into x1 is x1 y1, x into x1 is equal to minus 6x and here minus 9y plus 2 into g means 2 into x minus 6 plus y means 3 into y minus 9 here plus minus 39 is equal to 0 here. So it will become minus 6x minus 9y plus 2x, 2 6 minus 12, 3y 3y, 3 into 9, 3 9 27 here, minus 27 and minus 39 is equal to 0 here. Okay, here minus 6x and plus 2x minus 4x, here 9y plus 3y minus 9y minus 6y, and it will become minus 12 minus 27 minus 39 minus 39 minus 39 minus 60, no 78, minus 78 is equal to 0 here. So if we multiply with the minus, this equation will goes like this. How will it go like, goes like this means 4x plus 6y minus 7 plus 78 is equal to 0. So we can common 2 from this one, then only will come here. I will common 2 and it will become 2x plus 3y plus, if we common 2 to 39 is equal to 0 here. So this is the answer of given question. Now move to the fourth one. Here fourth question solution, p is equal to given and s is equal to given. We have to submit the values x1 y1. S1 is equal to x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 and plus c is equal to 0. Here x into x1 means 3x here and plus 4y plus g we need to find now. G is equal to, it will become minus 2 here and f is equal to minus 3 here. So minus 2 into x plus 3 and plus minus 3 into here y plus 4 is plus 11 is equal to 0 here. From this it will become 3x plus 4y here and minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 3 ja minus 6 minus 3 into y minus 3y 3 4 ja 12 minus 12 plus 11 is equal to 0 here. Now 3x minus 2x is equal to how much? X. 4x minus 3x plus y 4y minus 3y y minus 6 here it will become minus 1 and minus 6 and minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the answer of question. Now move to the second bit. Okay. Now second bit is find the equation of the normal at P of the circle S is equal to 0 where P and S are given by. So S is a circle here given as a P, a point here. So this question has a theorem. This question has a theorem. Where will you find the theorem here? 41 page of this textbook. Okay, Maths B textbook, where you find 1.3.16. This is the normal form. Okay, here the normal at any point P of the circle is given like here in this question. The theorem is also there 1.3.18 in your textbook of 41 page. So please go there and once watch the theorem and you do this solution, it will get easy for you. Okay, so the theorem is here. If you do theorem though, so the equation will come like this. So where the equation of normal at P, so where the equation, so I will write here the equation of the normal at P x comma y1 x comma y. Okay, here given question x1 comma y1, the theorem is x1 comma y1 here to the circle is S is equal to where x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 there na. So is the formula will become x minus x1 into y plus here y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. So this is the formula where you find the 41 page of your textbook. Okay, x minus x1 into y plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g. So this is the formula we have to give here and find the solution now. Now what is the formula here? Solution x minus x1 into y plus f minus y minus y1 into how much? X1 plus g here is equal to 0. Now x1 y1 is there. Okay, so this is the equation here. From this we find the g and f value. Here g is equal to how much? G is equal to how much we'll get here? G is equal to we'll get 1 by 2 and f is equal also 1 by 2 we'll get. Okay, now we submit the values in this one. X minus x1 is equal to how much here? 3 and y plus y1 is equal to how much? Minus 4 plus f is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Here y is equal to how much? Y is equal to y only, minus y1 is equal to, so minus is the plus 4 here into x1 is equal to how much? 3 plus g is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 here is equal to 0. Now here x minus 3 into So it will become minus 2 4 ja 8 here, 2 4 ja 8, and 8 minus 8 plus 1 minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 by 2, and here y plus 4 into this 2 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 2 here is equal to 0 now. So here I will common minus 7 by 2 from this total one. Okay, minus 7 by 2 I will common here, and remaining thing here x minus 3 will remain, and here minus I get common and it will become plus y plus 4 here is equal to 0. Means this is in the multiplication it will go, so it will become 0 is equal to after that. Okay. What will remain here? X minus 3 plus y plus 4 here. 4 minus 3 is equal to how much? 1. So answer is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the answer of the question. Now move to the next question here. Here second question is p is equal to 3 comma 5, where s is equal to x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to given that. Okay. So here x1 comma y1 is given. Solution is we have to find the normal of the equation of the normal we have to find. Equation of normal. So what is the equation of normal here? So it is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into how much? X1 plus g is equal to 0 here. So please go through this theorem, compulsory go through theorem, then only you can understand what is going on here. So it will easy for you. There one I am checking once. See Telugu Academy book, there is a one question like the theorem is like, the diagram is like this. Here one circle is there and this is a tangent, here one normal is going inside this one. So it with the center here. Okay, C. So where P is a point here. So he asking us to find this this equation. Okay. So this we are finding now. This is normal at P is saying that normal at P. So this is we finding here. The equation of the formula this only. So normal at P formula this formula. In this I am submitting the values. X minus x1 is equal to how much? 3 plus y1 is equal to 5 plus f is equal to how much? It will come here 2gx, no? Here f is equal to 2f5. f5 means f is equal to minus 1 here. So f5 2f5. Okay, minus 1 here. Minus of y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to how much? 5. 5 into okay, x1 is equal to how much? 3 plus g means how much here? It will become g is equal to minus 5 will come here. Okay, minus 2g is minus 5. So minus 5 will come here is equal to 0. So it will become x minus 3 into 4, and it will become minus y minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 0 from here. I will common 2 from this one, minus 2 from minus 2 will common. I will do from this I will know I can do, it will become minus into minus plus, no? So I will this 2 will become plus here. Okay, in the next step I am saying. Okay, so I will common both 2 from these two things, and it will become 2 into x minus 3 will become, and plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 here. So 2 will goes this side and it will become 0 by 2, it will become 0, and 2 into x 2x minus 2 3 is 6 plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 here. Here answer will become 2x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is the answer of the question. Now move to the third question here. Here third question solution. So given that px1 comma y1 is given, the question is given s is equal to like this. So it will become I will divide with this 3 1, it will become x square plus y square minus 19 divided by 3 x minus 29 by 3 y plus 76 by 3. We can write it as is equal to 0. If I do divided by 3, it will come like this. Now solution, in what is the formula we have? Equation of normal is here. Equation of normal here is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g here is equal to 0. Now x minus x1 is equal to how much? 1, and y1 is equal to how much? This 3 plus it is 2 y1 plus f, no, f is equal to how much it will come here? Minus 29 by 6. Okay, minus 29 by 6. How it will come, sir? 2f5 is equal to minus 29 by 3 is equal to 3 into f kada, ff cancel, and no y, this is y will cancel, f is equal to minus 29 by 6 will come. So from like that, so here minus y minus y1 is equal to how much? 3 into x1 is equal to 1, and g is equal to minus 19 by 2, 19 by this 19 by 6. Okay, here 1 minus 19 by 6 it will become is equal to 0 here. From this x minus 1 into 6 3 ja 18, 18 minus 29 minus 11 by 6, it will become y minus 3 into 6 1 ja 6 minus 19, how much it will become? 6 minus 19 13, minus 13 divided by 6 here is equal to 0. Here we will write minus 11 by 6 into x minus 1, and it will become minus in this minus is there na, this minus into this minus is equal to plus, here y minus 3 into 13 by 6 will come, it will become 0. Now we'll do one thing, we'll do LCM of this denominators. Here this denominator will become 6 and it minus 11 into x minus 1 plus 13 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. This 6 will go there, it will become 0. I will do here minus 11 into x minus 1 plus 13 into y minus 3 will remain here is equal to 0. So if we multiply with this, so minus 11x minus 11 into 1 plus 11 plus 13 into y 13y minus 13 3 ja 39 is equal to 0. So it will become minus 11x plus 13y, 11 minus 39 is equal to how much? Minus 28 is equal to 0. If I take minus common, so it will become 11x minus 13y plus 28 is equal to 0 here answer. Now move to the next question here, fourth question. Here fourth question is given that solution p x1 comma y1 is given, and a circle is given. Here the normal is formed, equation of normal here x minus x1 into how much it will become? X minus y1 plus f minus y1 y minus y1 into here y plus g, no sorry, x1 plus g is equal to 0 here answer. So in this formula we have to submit. So please by heart this, I am writing by heartly. So you will also practice while practicing writing the many times, you will get easily know. In the exams it will come with the 2 marks questions. Okay, from 2 marks it will come. Now it will become here x minus x1 is equal to how much? 1, and y1 is equal to 2 plus f is equal to how much? F is equal to minus 2 here. F is equal to minus 2 only, minus 2 only. So here minus of y minus y1 is equal to how much? 2 here. So here x1 is equal to 1 and g is equal to 2gx na. Here it will become 11. So 11 will come, minus 11 is equal to 0 here. So it will become here minus 2 and plus 2 will become 0, x minus 1 into 0 minus y minus 2 into minus 10 here is equal to 0. Now it will become totally 0, will remain is equal to y minus 2 into 10 will remain here is equal to 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 0 here, 10 will goes there, 0 by something is 0, y minus 2 is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 here answer. So this is the solution of this question.